So this here is only to copy and paste. Not too much.
What, Darry?
Way too much. This one. Like that.
Like that.
So put the back. We've done that. Put it in the baking cage.
Case. Oh, yeah.
You know, like a bird cage, like Batman cage, or no, Batman doesn't have Batman.
No.
The cage looks like a cage.
Yeah.
We've done that.
Yeah.
Spicy notes. Add a pepper.
Yeah. Okay. Mayo hot.
Go, go.
Okay.
Okay, cheese.